Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I just want to review this Panasonic microwave that I've actually brought. Basically I brought this one because my old one was going... Well, just check this out. And that's the reason why I brought this. Because it was going beep, 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 beep. So what I did is... I threw it out the window. No, not really, that's just Gordon Ramsay. Check out me unboxing this. Please stay tuned, but first, roll those titles. Right, let's go through the box. Well, it's actually the box is actually quite cool. Obviously, Panasonic is actually a well-known make. It's been going for some years now, and the reason why I got this microwave is obviously because I explained at the start of this video. The other one was going beep and beep beep beep, but the other reason is because, like I say, Panasonic will not let you down because they're actually a good make. This is 800 watt. And this is a 20 litre one from cavity, and it's a 255 milliliter turntable. It's got auto defrost, auto program. It's actually got a child lock on it. It says there, child lock. At the side here, it basically says what's on it basically. Now let's unbox this. Right now, I've took it out to the box, and here's the microwave. When you first open it, it does come with all the packaging inside here. So obviously you have to take all that out, and then you got the instructions as well here. Which the instructions, to be honest, are actually quite easy to read. Where as normally, like, when you get instructions for something, you can't understand what it says, and this one you can. Obviously, again, Panasonic, a trusted brand. The microwave looks actually quite smart. It's quite shiny. And inside, it does have an halogen light here. And it's obviously not white inside. This is like painted grey, but it's not enamel, but it looks like enamel, which isn't. And obviously, this is just a microwave. It's not like a microwave grill. The other thing, good thing about this is the only reason why I got this is because it's small and it's just ideal for me. Down the side here, you get different options like the microwave power, which is here. Different powers. They indicate different powers, like look, it says high, medium, low, warm. Obviously, let's take on high. It's got the option for a 30-second cook. And the side here changes the minute. It's also got an auto defrost for bread, meat items, meat joints, auto reheat for curries and Chinese and pasta. It's got auto cook options for jacket potatoes, fresh vegetables and fresh fish. And here is the stop and start buttons. And the model number is here, which is NN-E28JBM. Yeah. Just look how smart that is. That's absolutely quite smart. I mean, this can be purchased on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below where you get this from. But this really is ideally better for people, or obviously on their own, or there's just two of you, because obviously with the microwave inside, it's always small. On the video, it probably looks big, but obviously this is a small microwave. And it does actually fit nice on there. Obviously, I got that because of it being black and all. I like the black, and obviously it matches my air fryer as well. And I've also done a review on this. If you want to check out that, check out my video review on this. That's quite smart and all. Yeah, and I mean, I'm hoping that I won't get any problems with this. If I do have any problems with it in the future, I will do another video and show you what the problem was, so you can actually understand if it's worth getting or it goes faulty or anything like that. I'll let you know. Yeah. If you want to purchase this, like I say, I will put a link in the description below, so just basically click on the link and it'll be there on Amazon. I think at the moment this particular one is £70 at the moment, but it might go up and down in price. On Amazon it goes up and down in price. I believe they're on Veri as well. So yeah, I think they're in Argos and all. So yeah, they need the same price anyway. You go about 70 quid. But yeah, it's quite smart. I like the finish. How it's like dead shiny. Quite smart. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below anyway. Thanks for watching anyway, and I'll see you next video. Bye.
Panasonic.